Welcome to this tutorial on version control with Git. Today, we are going to explore how to check out tags. This is a crucial skill when you need to inspect code from a specific release point in your project's history. First, let's understand what a tag actually is. In Git, a tag is essentially a permanent reference to a specific commit. Unlike branches, which change as you add new code, a tag is immutable. It stays exactly where you put it. Developers typically use tags to mark significant milestones, like version 1.0 or version 2.5 releases. So why would you want to check one out? There are several reasons. You might need to hunt down a bug that was reported in an older version of your software. Or you might need to perform a code audit to see exactly what files were shipped to a client 3 months ago. Checking out a tag lets you time travel back to that exact state. Before you can travel back in time, you need to know your destination. You can see a list of all tags in your repository by running the command Git Tag. This will output a list of version numbers or names, usually sorted alphabetically. Once you have identified the tag you want to inspect, you use the checkout command. You simply type git checkout followed by the tag name, for example, v1.0.0. Git will then update your working directory to match the code exactly as it was at that specific commit. This is the most important part to understand. When you check out a tag, you enter what is called a detached head state. This means your head pointer is looking directly at a commit, not a branch. If you make new commits here, they will not belong to any branch and can easily be lost if you switch away. You are essentially floating in history. If you intend to make changes, like fixing a bug in that old version, you should never work in a detached head state. Instead, use the checkout command with the -b flag to create a new branch starting from that tag. This keeps your history safe and organized. When you are done inspecting the old code, you probably want to return to your latest work. To do this, simply check out your main branch, often called main or master. This brings you back to the present day. To recap, use Git Tag to find versions. Use Git Checkout tag name to look around, but remember you are in a detached head state. If you need to make fixes, always create a new branch. And finally, check out main to get back to your current work. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.